In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay Live Chat to get help with all your questions and account concerns. This feature makes it easier than ever to resolve issues quickly and efficiently, without the need to pick up the phone or shoot off a lengthy email. First off, you want to open your internet browser and navigate to ebay.com. This is your starting point, and it's where you'll find all the resources eBay offers. Once you're on the home page, focus your attention towards the upper right-hand portion of the screen. That's where you'll see the Help and Contact section, which is your gateway to customer support options. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a page filled with various help topics and guidance resources. Next, look for and select Contact Us. This is a crucial step, as it's specifically designed for users who need direct assistance. When you click on it, you'll be directed to a new page that lists various categories of support based on the nature of your issue. For today, we're focusing on account-related inquiries. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you'll see different categories that you can choose from. What you want to do here is click on Account. This selection will refine your options, tailoring them to issues and inquiries that are centered around account management. Now, you're getting closer to accessing the direct help you might need. In the next step, find and click on Creating an eBay account. This might sound like it's only for new users, but don't be misled. It actually opens up a variety of account-related solutions and services. This step is necessary because it segues naturally into the live chat option we're aiming to reach. Finally, you'll see an option to chat with our automated assistant. Clicking this will start a chat session with eBay's virtual support system, which is designed to help you find answers without live human intervention. This assistant can guide you through common problems, offer suggestions, and even escalate your query to a live agent if your issue requires personalized help. It's a fantastic tool for when you need quick answers to specific questions or if you're encountering simple problems that you can solve in real time. So there you have it. eBay's live chat feature is a great resource for getting the information and support you need quickly and efficiently. Remember, while the automated assistant is quite capable of addressing a wide array of inquiries, never hesitate to connect to a live person if you feel that your issue isn't being resolved. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to give it a try the next time you need assistance on eBay. We'll see you in the next video.